Also, we have a train with the flash on. Sorry about being it's so blurry. I'm not gonna flash it into Grandma's face, but there's the train. So I'm gonna pause the camera. Well, anyway, we have a train, folks. I don't know if you're gonna see the whole train in the video, but at least we have a train video today. I know Grandma's car is running, that's okay. Oh no, folks! Oh no, folks! And there's cars coming. I don't like having my flash on, but I'll have to do it anyway. If I turn it off, it's gonna get even blurrier. So, well, Tyler, what do you think about this video? Is it gonna be pretty nice? Oh no, folks! Oh no, folks! What? Over there. There's Sanctuary Highway. Oh no, folks! Oh no, folks! Oh no, folks! Get the folks! Wait till I'm trying to in the dark. What? I know the light's getting brighter. Try to wave, Grandma. video. And my camera's so blurry right now. So that's it for me. Hopefully you enjoyed the video as always. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and that will be it. That's it.